How to calibrate your iPhone's battery health. Today in this video I will show you exactly how to do that in this very easy and clear method, so please follow up with me. The method works for all versions of iOS, so don't worry about that at all. Now the first thing you need to do is to go ahead and plug in your iPhone to the charger and let it charge until it reaches 100%, but we do not stop there. After that, let it charge for an extra 2 hours. Only after that, you can go ahead and unplug your iPhone and use it normally until the battery dies and the phone shuts off completely. After that, you can go ahead and plug your phone again and charge it from 0 to 100. But in this time, you need to never touch your phone or use it. So basically forget that you have an iPhone for an hour, and that is it. That is the method. Now, it takes time, of course, but don't worry about that because this method needs to be done like once a month. You can of course do it more than that, but once a month is more than enough. And that is it for the video, guys. I hope you have learned something. I hope it was useful, and if it was, please like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe for future videos like this one, and thank you very much for watching.